For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Today we talked about unique ending phonogram patterns. So for your lesson, you will be sorting words based on those ending phonogram patterns. We have 4 columns here with the ending phonogram patterns of oint, ound, own, and oi. Read through each of these blue words and sort them based on their ending phonogram pattern. I will read the words for you now. Face down, cowboy, ballpoint, surround, touchdown, destroy, downtown, background, around, disappoint, enjoy, nightgown, playground, and pinpoint. Let's go ahead and sort the word face down. I noticed that it has the OWN unique ending phonogram pattern, so I'm going to click and drag face down to match under OWN. When you have all of your blue words sorted in the correct columns, that's when you can submit this assignment to your teacher.